Are you struggling to think of what to gift your partner this Valentine's Day? But then maybe this video is just the right thing for you. Hey guys, welcome back to LaFilleChic. I'm Bidisha and today we're gonna be talking about Valentine's Day gift ideas. So without any delay, let's get on with it. Okay. My idea number 1, gift your partner monthly subscription for something. Now there are so many of them these days out there. For example, if your partner likes to watch a lot of TV, then you can gift your partner monthly subscription for Netflix or Hotstar or Amazon Prime Video or whatever else is out there. Or you can gift subscription for magazines like Vogue, Elle, Grazia, GQ, Cosmopolitan, what else? Lonely Planet, National Geographic, then what else? Business Today, etc, etc, depending on what your partner is interested in. Next subscription idea are subscription boxes. Now there are so many of them in India too that it's amazing. There's Sugar Box, which is a lifestyle subscription box. All Good Scents, which is a perfume subscription box. Fab Bag, Glam Glow for beauty. There are also book subscription boxes. One of them, for example, the Big Book Box. These are just to name a few. I'll make a list of all the things I'm talking about in the description box below, so you have to check it out after you are done watching the video. Alright, you can also rent furnitures for your partner. I know it can sound a little weird, but here's what I mean by this. Suppose your partner is into reading and he or she has been thinking of making this reading corner, but for some reason haven't done it yet. Then you can rent out a nice little bookshelf, a cute chair, a lamp, maybe a small table, and a few books to go with the bookshelf too if you want. It will be such a thoughtful gift. My idea number 2, customize a box yourself. Here are some of the ideas that I could come up with for the time being. A coffee table decor box. You can include coffee table books, candles, succulents, a gym box. Now what can you include in this? Gym clothes, shoes, maybe earphones, cute little bottle, maybe protein shake mix. I'm sure you can think of something else too. Pamper box. You can include essential oils, scented soaps, shower gels, bath bombs, lotions, candles, a beard grooming kit. I found one in Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below for you to check it out. A cocktail making kit. I found one kit for making old-fashioned and one for Bloody Mary, and I found one general cocktail making toolkit. I'll put the links for all 3 of them down below. Idea number 3, book a couple's experience together. Most of us are so busy with our work, we end up not giving meaningful time to our partners. So this will be a perfect gift. Even if you don't have the time or the budget to book a big vacation, you can still book a getaway or an experience together on, suppose, BookMyShow or Airbnb or Thrillophilia. And it doesn't have to be super expensive. As long as you guys are spending some new and good experience together, that's all that matters, right? That's all for today. Like the video if you like any of the ideas. Comment below which one would you like to gift your Valentine, and if you have your own ideas, write them down below too. I would also like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because it's free and lots more videos are coming in the future. So see you in the next one. Bye.